Every time an application calls an AI model, it spends money. Not a lot. Sometimes it's literally a fraction of a cent. But here's what companies are starting to discover: those fractions add up. And when AI gets dropped into systems everywhere without thinking about it, those tiny costs can turn into massive bills. AI isn't expensive. Uncontrolled AI is expensive. A single AI call might cost 2 cents, but systems don't make one call. They make thousands, millions, sometimes billions. And suddenly that 2-cent decision becomes a $2 million bill. And this is just one part of a much bigger conversation around AI: the economics, when it actually makes sense to use it, and what it means for our jobs. Right now, a lot of companies are being told the same thing: add AI to your product, add AI to your workflow, add AI to your customer experience. And don't get me wrong, AI is incredibly powerful. But there's a piece of the conversation most companies haven't fully internalized yet. AI introduces something new into software systems: a metered compute resource. And that resource is measured in tokens. Every prompt you send to the model, every word it generates, consumes tokens. And tokens cost money. If you're trying to understand how AI actually works under the hood, not just prompts, but the actual mechanics, including things like tokens, I wrote a book called AI Explained Simply. I'll leave a link for it down in the description below. Individually, the cost of those tokens is tiny, but systems don't operate at human scale. They operate at system scale. Imagine a customer support system using AI to rewrite responses. Each message might cost 2 cents. That sounds trivial, right? Until the system processes 10 million messages. Now you're not talking about pennies anymore. You're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars in compute. And here's the strange part: most of the tokens being burned right now are solving problems that AI never needed to solve. Simple routing decisions, formatting structured data, following rules, things the system already understands. Those problems are deterministic. You don't need AI for that. You need software automation. AI is incredible at something very specific, though: ambiguity, understanding messy language, interpreting intent, working through uncertainty. But when companies start using AI everywhere, even for deterministic tasks, they're paying for inference when a simple system could have done the job. This is really an architecture discipline problem. In a well designed system, you separate two types of work: deterministic work and non deterministic work. Rules are deterministic work. Automation or structured processes are deterministic work. AI handles non deterministic work, the messy parts. And this is the part that gets lost in all the hype. AI processes knowledge, but it doesn't design systems. Humans still decide where AI belongs, where automation belongs, where rules belong. That architectural judgment is what controls the economics. AI is incredibly powerful, but like any infrastructure, it comes with a cost model. Tokens are basically the new compute meter. And the companies that understand that early will build systems that are both powerful and sustainable. The ones that don't, well, they're going to learn the hard way. If you're wondering whether AI is actually a threat to your career, we break that down in another video. Here. If you're a person of faith trying to figure out where AI fits, this conversation is for you. If you like thinking about problems this way, subscribe to the channel. You see, around here, we break down AI, career decisions, home projects, and even auto repair through a structured lens. Because at the end of the day, everything is a project. And if you know someone building with AI who hasn't done the math yet, send them this video. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.